Board exam preparation with Amit. Don't worry, with smart preparation, you can achieve great results. Consistency beats last-minute studying. Daily effort builds confidence and helps retain knowledge better. 1. Create a clear study plan. Allocate daily time for subjects, include breaks, and stick to your schedule to avoid stress. Remember, exams test understanding, not just memory. Stay positive, plan smartly, and be consistent. Stay positive.
Welcome to the top 7 smart study tips for board exams, designed to help students achieve exam success efficiently. In this video, we explore practical study tips including time management, focused resource use, and wellness practices for better exam outcomes. Amit explains the importance of making a realistic timetable. This helps balance study sessions and reduces last-minute stress. Amit highlights the importance of focusing on CERT and core books to study efficiently and improve exam accuracy. Amit describes how daily revision habits improve knowledge retention and boost exam performance over time. Amit encourages practicing sample papers and previous year questions to enhance exam confidence and time skills. Amit discusses stress management through yoga and breaks to help maintain mental clarity and reduce burnout. Amit reinforces the importance of eating healthy and getting enough sleep to support study effectiveness. Amit advises students to practice digital discipline by avoiding distractions such as mobile phones during study. The video concludes reminding you that consistent effort today leads to big results tomorrow in your board exams.
Feeling overwhelmed with board exams approaching? Wouldn't it be great to have a clear plan to tackle your studies effectively? A step-by-step plan designed to help you prepare for board exams. This guide simplifies your study process. How it works. Start by understanding your syllabus. Identify key chapters and weightage. This will highlight your focus areas. Next, set daily goals. Use a checklist to track progress. Aim for a balanced study routine. Writing notes ensures retention. Summarize chapters and review weekly. Revising helps reinforce learning. On exam day, ensure a good night's sleep. Read the exam paper carefully. Start with questions you find easier. Plus, staying organized reduces anxiety. Helps students organize their study plan. Manages time effectively. Reduces exam anxiety. Sounds helpful?